So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to attach or sew a feathers. Okay, this is actually a bush feather. We have a lot of feathers. We have ostrich feather, chicken feathers, and bush feather. So the techniques are still the same. So I'll be teaching you how to sew these beautiful feathers you are seeing right there on the thumbnail and on this beautiful dress. And I'll be dropping the link on how I made this dress on the description box below. So the first thing you are going to do is to hem your sleeve. After cutting out your basic sleeve or whatever sleeve you want to attach your feathers, make sure you hem it. So here you can see I'm done hemming the down part of my sleeve, and I just want to take the measurement of my sleeve to be sure it's actually the length I want. So here is my feathers, and I'm going to show you how to attach it. So the first thing you are going to do is to measure from the hem 2 inches. Just go from the hem and measure 2 inches. Then you mark a line to it. Then from the side, you take away your seam allowance. You are not going to attach your feathers to it. Just take away 1 inch seam allowance or half an inch, depending on the seam allowance you added. Now, I got 2 yards of feathers for the 2 sleeves, and I've already cut out, separated them 1 yard for each. So I will begin to cut small pieces of it, like 2 inches or 2.5 inches of that 1 yard of feathers. So you can see how I'm cutting them small. You can cut 2 inches, 2 inches like that out of the 1 yard of feathers. So that is exactly what I'm doing right here. So I'm going to take my time to cut and cut till I exhaust the 1 yard of feathers for one sleeve. So this technique I'm going to show you right now will make your feathers very full. So 1 yard is actually okay for one sleeve. So if you use this technique, it will be very full for you. So now you are going to roll one piece. Okay, each piece that you cut, just keep rolling it the way I'm rolling it, as you can see there. After that, you chop off the upper part of it. Just chop it off. Then we are going to use our glue gum. I have my electric glue gum. I'm going to attach the gum on that piece, and then I'll press it down on the dress. Can you see what is happening right there? So you can see how I laid it on the opposite direction. You can see I laid it this other way. So by the time I roll the second one and chop it off, I'll also roll it or face it the other way. I believe you understand what I'm trying to explain. So you can see where I placed that other one. So you just keep distributing it like that, so the feathers will be very full for you. So I'm actually on the 3rd feathers right now. I'll chop it off, then apply the glue gum. Then I will stick it on that 2 inches space like that. So I just brought it closer for you to see what I'm actually doing right here. Okay, so I am working on the other side of the sleeve. I started from the other side of the sleeve in the opposite direction. So I will be coming from one end to the center and the other end to the center as well. So you apply your glue gum. This is how it actually looks. So I'm going to press it like this. So once I press it down, it sticks immediately for you. Okay, it sticks immediately for you. So I'll continue like that, following this same process until I cover or until I fill up that space. Okay, the space is 2 inches width and the length is your sleeve length. So I'll keep attaching it, and then I'll be pressing it down very closely like that. Okay, so you can see how I'm spreading it. You have to spread it so it's full for you. So I'm going to fill up the spaces right now. So you can see I filled it up. Then I'm going to close up my sleeve and stitch my seam allowance. So I'll go over to the machine to do that right now. My 2 sleeves are ready. You can see how beautiful they are. So I'll just pick up this dress right now. I'm going to open up the zipper and turn it to the wrong side. Okay, I'll open up the armhole and I'm going to turn the armhole to the wrong side, then insert my sleeve. So make sure you sew the sleeve part where that is supposed to be at the front. So this is what I meant. I'm going to turn it to the wrong side, insert the sleeve from below. Make sure you pin the shoulder seam line for the dress and the shoulder seam line for the sleeve as well. So I'll secure the shoulder seam line with my pin, and I'm going to secure the armhole seam line with my sleeve seam line as well. So on the armhole, I'm going to pin it as well. So once I've pinned these 2 points, I can now go over to the machine and control my sleeve stitching. So I will go and sew round right now. So after sewing, you can see what we got right here. This is actually looking very beautiful, and that is how to go about it. So I believe this class was helpful to you. I will be dropping the link on how I made this dress on the description box below. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell to receive videos like this every day. Like this video, share to family and friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.